Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 very easy Korean loan words. That is, those Korean words that have been borrowed from other languages. So let's start. Okay, so the first word is the Korean word for juice, and that is juice. Juice. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for napkin, and that is napkin. Napkin. Okay. Next is the Korean word for diamond, and that is diamond. Diamond. Okay. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for lemon, and that is lemon. Lemon. Okay. Next is the Korean word for vitamin, and that is vitamin. Vitamin. Let's see the Korean word for orange, and that is orangey. Orangey. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for kangaroo, and that is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay. Next is the Korean word for banana, and that is banana. Banana. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for hockey, and that is hockey. Hockey. And the last one is the Korean word for tomato, and that is tomato. Tomato. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean loan words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.